Hello everyone, D-Lo here. Today we have 4 booster packs to open up. We got one from the Flash Fire, got one from just regular XY, we got Legendary Treasures, and we got Plasma Blast, which is what we're going to start on first. So hopefully we can get some good pulls out of these. See the front there. Got 3 to the back. Got Ursaring starting us off. Got Thompius. Trompius. Got Plume Fossil. Got Raw. Got Kangaskhan. Teddiursa. Porygon. Squirtle. Porygon 2 is a reverse. And then Alcorg. Wow, that was terrible. Akelgar is a regular rare. Alright, then we'll move to our Legendary Treasures. See what we got. And for our Radiant collection, we got Torchic, Crushing Hammer, Killel, Ralts, Gibble, Soloist, Zora, and then our reverse holo is Garchomp. And then our regular rare is Miscellaneous. And then got a full art Shimeon EX. Alright. So we just got a full art out of that. So we'll put that right in the back. Now we're going to move to our XY series. We got Mega Blastoise starting us off in the pack. Three to the back. Got Solrock, Volbeat, Delcatty, Panzor, Chespin, Inky, Vantrump, Bunapie, Dunsparce, and then a Blastoise EX. Alright. Alright, now that's nice. Look at that full art. EX. Let's put that in the back. It's a good pull right there. So for 2 full arts. Hoping for that. And that Flash Fire, hoping for that Mega Charizard EX. 3 to the back. Got Metapod. Got Miltank. Sacred Ash. Binacle. Espurr. Caterpie. Bunnery. Britzel. Caterpie Reverse Holo. And a Megazone EX. Alright. Man, just some good pulls on these ones today. So we'll start off. We got our Shimeon EX. Got our Magnazone EX. And then our Blastoise EX full art. Alright. So I think there's a pretty good pulls on this one. Just tell me what you think. Leave a comment below. Have a good day.